Tom, excellent,
go ahead,
excellent
Yadin.
presentation. If I can jump in and just
Please.
give heads up to Ledina and Roberto. We got a few questions coming in. Some we answer as they are online. Others, I would like to voice them. For Ledina, there is a question about key performance indicators. Are they relative to financial budget issues or other one that a part of your action plan? I'll give you a second to think about it. And Roberto, we have a similar question about your plan. Is the financial argument there are relative to the budget, or where are they taking from? Let's start with Ledina.
Right. Thank you, Yadin. Till now, the indicators that we have been using have been related to mainly to budget and the time of operation, the downtime, because historically these have been our main concerns. But now we are working on other indicators that are related to performance of the devices, but we are still working on it.
Great, thank you. Roberto, the question there is, how did you calculate your key performance indicators?
Well, actually, we are here in the process of establishing some KPIs because we basically wanted to start having someone to do the job, to do the HTM processes. And before we are trying to evaluate them, I mean, from having nothing to having someone, it was a big leap. Certainly, it needs to be evaluated with some key indicators. But we're working on that. We have some ideas. With frankly, we haven't established them as such. But there's definitely a need to have some indicators to show what their results in paper are true. But once we have some of those, we're certainly going to report it.
Thank you. A question came for all of the three presenters. What were the main obstacles you had to face from manufacturing side when you implemented your new approach? What were the main obstacles you were facing dealing with the manufacturers with this new approach?
May I start?
Please.
Our main difficulty was the price, because the price that we were negotiating was from 10, 12 down to 8% of the purchase price. And we faced a lot of difficulties convincing them that we were not tolerating on that. So that was our main difficulty with the manufacturers.
Okay, Roberto?
Well, actually, industry is very happy with this approach because they know that they have a valid counterpart to discuss business and discuss projects. And that's something that it was taken very positively by the industry here in the country.
And Tom, I don't know if we lost Lee as far as audio, because I'm familiar with the 4 years of this program that he described and how the performance improved from 45% to 92% performance improvement in the MRI CT market. Their barriers as they met with manufacturers that first, the vendors did not believe that they need to provide support for the idea, and that they will continue to operate one at a time independently. But when Lee led the team that compare the support for the maintenance and performance in each hospital, the vendor turned around and they have a much better collaboration. So that was a change that took some time, but it was definitely leading to collaboration that is now very strong, and the vendor competing among themselves on who is helping the best in improving the performance of the big imaging systems.
Thank you, Yadin. I am bringing hopefully back to the table a final link for everybody, and it's on our website, but it's a blog / COVID-19 resource link, and maybe everybody can grab that before they go. And we appreciate your participation. We look forward to seeing you next month, and we're going to gather these questions and responses and send them out to you in the next week. And once again, hopefully in the next 24 hours on our website, on the courses part of our website, you will see the PowerPoint from today. You will see an MP4 recording, audio recording for those in China that can't get to Google, a YouTube for the rest of us, and other information. And thanks, everybody. We're going to conclude now. Bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Great job.
Thank you.
Great job.
Roberto, Ledina, Lieben.
Thank you. Thank you.